Ross Heating and Air Conditioning. With lots of contractors calling Clay home, it's no wonder that the HVAC system in your property could be vastly different from others. Fortunately, being able to work on diverse HVAC setups is one of Ross Heating and Air Conditioning's core strengths. You usually only notice your HVAC system when it breaks down, but you can trust Ross Heating and Air Conditioning to get it up and running quickly and quietly in the background. As licensed and specialized Ross Heating and Air Conditioning, we can solve any heating, air conditioning, or ventilation issue. Because HVAC problems seem to always come at the wrong moment, we know that having a repair can be a stressful time. With that in mind, Ross Heating and Air Conditioning will always be the epitome of professionalism, delivering quality work and service with a smile for all of our Clay customers. HVAC problems are not the end of the world, even though they may feel like it. Call Ross Heating and Air Conditioning at 315-877-3876 for an easy and affordable fix. Our talented technicians have the experience to understand what's going on with your particular situation and the ability to provide the best possible solution efficiently and effectively. For more information, please visit our website, www.rossheatingandairconditioning.com. Or contact us through phone, 315-877-3876. You can visit our office, 5713 Caughdenoy Road, Clay, New York, 13041. Ross Heating and Air Conditioning.